A group of Africans from around the world come together to the palace of Dada, Daagbo, Hounon, Houna II to receive Fa and to connect with the divinities and nature. Upon arriving at the palace, the men are instructed to circle around the shrine of the mystical ancestor of the Hounon family. As they do, they place one foot on the step of the shrine. Afterwards, they take a brief spiritual bath to cleanse themselves of negative energy before their reading. Now it is the women's turn. Again, they place their foot onto one step of the shrine. This is to introduce their spirits to the ancestors of the family, seeking their approval so they can receive a successful divination. After each person has had their spiritual cleansing, they are wrapped around the waist in a sacred white cloth before their reading. The Bakono performs Fa for each person while the surrounding chiefs record the reading. The Fa is overseen and guided by His Majesty, Dada, Daagbo, Hounon, Houna II, and he explains through an interpreter every aspect of their reading. During their reading, the participants learn various aspects of themselves, such as the earth divinity that is spiritually connected to them. They also learn the likes and dislikes of their spirit, as they are told what foods to eat or avoid, and also what behaviors to avoid or enhance within themselves to establish a deeper connection with their higher self. Every reading is unique to the individual, so the topics ranged from their ancestors to their personal past and their future, with each person having a chance to ask the Bakono specific questions they had for their ancestors or their spirit. Afterwards, they shared water and gin to honor the ancestors. At the end of the day, each participant was given a certificate of completion that listed their new and private spiritual name. This name is very important because the name represents the energy of their spirit and increases their connection to their divinity and to our culture.